If you have an Apple Watch, either the Series 3 or Series 10 or Apple Watch SE2, Apple Watch Series 9, and you also have an AirPod, but you want to connect the AirPod and then the Apple Watch together, then this is going to walk you through how to connect AirPods to Apple Watch. First, you want to make sure that your AirPods and Apple Watch are both fully charged. So I have my AirPod charged and then I have my Apple Watch charged. Now, drop your AirPod. Go to your Apple Watch settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, locate Bluetooth, and then make sure you turn on Bluetooth. So you see Bluetooth turned on here. If your Bluetooth is disabled, just click on it once to enable Bluetooth. Now, go grab your AirPod, open the AirPod to initiate pairing, and then hang on for your Apple Watch to discover your Bluetooth. And if your Apple Watch fails to discover your Bluetooth, what you need to do is come here, press this small button at the back of your AirPod, press it continuously until you hear a chime. Then drop the AirPod without closing it. Then you should see the name of the AirPod under devices on your Apple Watch. Then click on it. Then once you click on it, then you should see connected. That's why you see AirPods Pro connected on my Apple Watch. Then if you click on this information icon, then you're gonna see that my Apple Watch and AirPods are both connected together. If I click on forget this device, then you can always repair or connect the AirPod and Apple Watch together by opening your AirPod close to your Apple Watch. Then wait for your Apple Watch to discover the AirPod under Bluetooth and then click on it. Once you click on the AirPod name, they're going to see the AirPod and then the Apple Watch connected together. So that is basically how to connect AirPods to Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.